So the first thing you're gonna do is create a new project and make it 2D. Name it never gonna give you up because you just got rickrolled. Then install the new input system from the package manager and it will reload your project and then you're done. So the first thing you're gonna do is create a folder, name it scripts or input in the scripts thing, and create a new action map, input actions, whatever you call it. Then name it player input or controls, whatever you want to call it, it's your choice. Open it up and create a new action map, land, and then in actions, well, delete the first thing, then add another action, name it movement, then remove the binding and add a 1D composite. Name the 1D axis AD, change the negative to A and the positive to D. So it's left and right, whatever. So then you create a new action map, name it jump, in the make it pass through button and change the binding to be space. And then you gotta add a new interaction, make it press, and yeah, do the same with the crouch and you're done. So the next thing you're gonna do is click the generate C# class button and apply, so it will create a C# script for you so you can use it in for the input and stuff. Then go to scripts, create a folder, rename it player and add a movement script, because why not? Who doesn't like a movement script? I will open the script up and make a controls variable. Then I will make a controller 2D variable. Then move speed, not the rigid body. And yeah, then you will have to go awake controls equal to new player controls. Then I will go on and on enable. We will go controls dot enable. Then on disable, we will go disable. Then that is your input. I will write a comment on setting up input, and then now we will go into fix update, and yeah, then now we will go to movement. Now make a float movement, and we will write controls dot land dot movement dot read value, so it gives us a float value. Then I will multiply it by move speed and fix the time. Then I'll get a controller.move and feed in my variable and the bolts. So now I actually have to implement the jump and crouch, and that's why we had set up the thing. So jump and crouch. In jump, what I will do is controls.land.jump.read value float and is less than or equal to 0.5f, which means if it is pressed halfway, then I will jump equal to true or jump equal to false. Make the same for the crouch, and yeah, this should be our script done. Very cool. After compiling scripts in Unity and assigning the variables, it works like a charm. Bye guys, see you next time with another video, and be sure to subscribe or I will eat your face. I know it's weird, but who cares if I'm weird? I'm Boltermolt. My middle name is weird. What you gonna do? Peace.